Alrighty, let's jump into today's module. We are going to start module 10 today, and we will get all the way through this module and cover the assignment because we're also doing module 11 this week. So we'll cover module 11 on Thursday, 10 today. Don't freak out though, they're both pretty low key in terms of the workload and mostly involve reusing code that you've already done, if you're up to date on assignments, that is, and adding some more to that or iterating on that code that you've already developed. So today we're going to be talking about error handling, and this is surprisingly important, although often overlooked because it's not really like the fun part of programming. It's the part that makes your programs not suck, basically. And error handling might be not even the best word for this. You might call it user handling, because most of your errors don't come from some internal logic or internal problem with your program. Most of the time, the errors that are happening in your programs are going to be happening because your users can't seem to figure out how you intended your program to be used. And that's not really their fault. Most of the time, when we encounter a very stupid program or a very stupid website that's non-intuitive, that doesn't do what we expect it to, it's not really our fault as the users, it's the fault of the developers. And ideally, your program is going to help your users do what they need to do or provide the right kind of input or right kind of interaction. And in the cases where they don't do what you expect, it shouldn't crash your whole program. Your program should at least give them some redirection. It shouldn't crash. It should keep going. And, that's what prevents your users from being frustrated. And if you're really good at this, your program can be used by somebody who's computer savvy, but also your 80-year-old grandma and your 4-year-old kid. Okay, so there's a huge range of different users out there, and the best programs accommodate them all.